Hey guys, it's me again, Chasteki. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about loops, that is iteration in JS, iteration in JavaScript. So as you all know, iteration talks about repetition. For example, let's take a look at you working with a DJ mixer and a DJ software like Visual DJ. There is a loop there, something like this. It kept on repeating and all that. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to work with our loop. So let's drag our JS file to our VS Code as usual. So here's our main JS. We'll be working with our terminal. All right. So this is our main JS. Right. So let's start writing. Oh, this was teaching somebody, I suppose. Okay, so let's start writing our code. So as you know, you don't have to write a script here. So let's start writing. So loop, we're working first with the for loop. Okay, we have the while loop, we have the for, we have the for, we have the for, we have the for in loop, we have the do while loop. Okay, I think this is the number of loops I can remember in JS for now. Alright, but we're going to concentrate majorly on in this video we're working with for loop. Alright, so let's take a look at for loop. So let's say working with for loop in JS. Alright, so this is the syntax for for loop. We say for. Alright, then you can declare a variable. Say let I. Okay, let's say let variable. I want to show you the syntax first. Let variable equal to variable equal to 1, a semicolon. Okay, you can say variable less than equal to, or here in this place you are going to be using your inequalities or whatever you want to use. You are going to be using it here, whatever be the condition. This place is the condition, whatever you want to use here. Okay, it's greater than equal to 10. All right, so I can say variable plus equal 1. All right, some person they do say variable plus is still correct, but I think I prefer this. All right, so here your statement can be here. Okay, your statement can be here. This is how for loop work. Okay, with JS, this is how for loop work with JS. So let's follow this procedure and start writing our code. All right, so let's say we want to write a program to say I'm learning JS 500 times. All right, I'm learning JS 500 times. So let's follow this procedure. Let's follow this syntax. Right? For let's say is learned times, okay, equal to 1. All right, remember we say 500 times. Okay, we want to show this here on the screen. 500 times. All right, you come on doing this. You may want to do is learned less than equal to 500. Okay, you say is learned times, okay, learned times same plus equal 1. You may want to give space, or yeah, it's still the same. All right, so in this place you can log it to the console.log. okay, just type your log. I've told you before, log, then press your tab key. All right, try to press your tab key. On pressing your tab key, everything is going to be okay. Okay, on pressing your tab key, everything will be okay. So let's say I'm learning JS. All right, so we can take this guy out. We don't need this. We can take this guy out. So when we run this code, let's run it. On running it, you see it. I'm learning JS in the terminal. That is the inbuilt terminal in our VS Code. This is 500 times, but we may not see it that way. For us to know if it's really 500 times, what we call concatenation. To concatenate JavaScript, you use your plus sign. Okay, let's concatenate this times. That is the number of times this person has learned. Okay, let's see now. So let's rerun it. Did it get to 500? Look at it. Of course it gets to 500, from 1 down to 500. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. I love you guys.